description box below. Once you've grabbed your ingredients, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. These apple oat bars come together really simply. It's just a matter of mixing the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And I'll just give those all a mix. Okay, so then we'll just move on to the wet ingredients. This recipe uses 1 cup of applesauce or apple puree. I really struggled to find one in the supermarket that didn't have added sugar, so in the end I just got some tinned apples and checked the ingredients only had apples in it, and then just popped that into the blender, and it literally took about 30 seconds to blend up into this. Into the apple puree, I'm going to add in the coconut oil, and it's optional to add in some maple syrup. Just going to give those wet ingredients a mix. And as you can see, we haven't added in any eggs in this recipe, so it's perfect if you're vegan or if you've got vegan friends, or if you've got a child that has an egg allergy. And now all we need to do is pour this wet mixture into the dry. As you can see, this is a really simple recipe and a great one to get your littlies involved in. Here I've got my square lined cake tin. I'm just going to pour this mixture into here. And then all you want to do is use the back of your spoon to press this down into a nice even layer. This is how it looks, ready to pop in the oven. Know when these are cooked because it will be firm but still soft to touch. Let the apple oat bars cool slightly for about 5 minutes in the tin before taking it out of the tin and transferring onto a wire rack. These apple oat bars have been chilling on the counter for about 15 minutes, so I'm going to cut into them and give them a taste. I'm just going to slide this across because it is quite soft and I don't want it to break. Just going to cut these into squares. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to give it a taste. These taste so good. They're nice and moist from the applesauce, and there is a slight crunch from the chia seeds. And I really love that apple and cinnamon flavour. Now it's time for my top tips. Number 1, read the applesauce label because many have added sugar. Number 2, taste the mixture for sweetness before transferring it into the tin. You can adjust the maple syrup to suit your personal preferences. And number 3, transfer the oat bars carefully from the tin to a wire rack to avoid breaking it. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you give this recipe a go. If you'd like to see more healthy snacks, let me know by liking this video and leaving a comment below. And if you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe because I release videos every week. Until next time, keep cooking.